We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Ctra. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And third level highs. So let's zoom in the price. Price action monthly time frame, bearish red candle, spiking down to that low of that support. So we're going to see if it's going to be a reversal in the market, or that market is going to consolidate unless a bearish red candle comes and push down further and breaks through the support line. Price is currently sitting at 25.33. So if price work its way down, it is headed to that support line of 23.99. Before tagging that area, it can tag the numbers of 24.66. If price action breaks the support of 23.99, which is the red SR line, price can head to that midpoint of the next area at 21.57. And before tagging that, it also can tag the midpoint of 22.62. If price action decides to work its way up, so this price action leg will be an area of support, market turns around. Market can make it to the midpoint between both of the red SR lines at 26.64. And before tagging that, it can tag the midpoint of the two blue SR lines near the numbers a little bit above current price at 25.59. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So if this market decides to push up further, market's coming from multiple pushes down to that bottom. So we do have price action low area. We do have multiple pushes. Let's take a look. So overall, once that market fully broke that SR line, it came back for a full retest. We did receive that overall first, second, third, fourth. Let's say overall first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth leg, which would be the retest. Market pushed up, retest, market pushed up, broke the SR line. This is an overall retest. Price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, last candle. Full retest if it's respected at that support. Market's coming up from a triple bottom in a retest. So market's in a trend direction on its way up. So it'll be overall, once again, first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3. So market will be on a third push of that breakout. If the market decides to come down from this area, it's multiple patterns. We have an overall pattern. So overall, we can see that price action came back, or I should say price action area came back to retest the previous high, which is identifying the first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed down from a triple top, and we had a retest. So we have a triple top and a retest. Hold on, let's go back. We have a triple top and a double retest. And then the market came back again to the opposite side to retest that double top from the overall triple top pattern. So which is identifying now a triple top, a triple retest, and now the market's doing a double top near right below the triple retest. So now we have a break, a retest. So now we see that first, second, third, fourth. So market just broke another level. So just within that area, we have a single top, and a double retest. and the market pushed down, came to the midpoint of the support. Now we're looking to see if that market's going to break, push down to work its way down further. If not, we'll see that support. As I said before, markets work its way up, or that consolidation. Market can consolidate sideways. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So we have price action on the weekly time frame as a bullish green doji. So it's a indecisive candle. So we have to wait till the next candle form to see if it's going to break up or break down. So we have to see if that market is identifying a retest to that second to last candle. So this price action will be, second last candle will be the break. Price action retest can follow with a push down, or that market can create some momentum off this area, so it'll draw out a pattern, and we'll see if it closes out as the current candle, it can push up with another bullish candle. So that will be a first leg, second leg retest, and market pushes up. So you see a double bottom just within that area until it makes it to the next SR line. So it can identify if a left shoulder ahead, a right shoulder, and work its way back up. Headed down to the daily time frame, price action daily time frame reading as a bullish green candle. So price second, third, fourth, fifth, the last candle of the market, sum of 6 is all consolidating. So this market's consolidating. You have that consolidation with a pattern trying to form in that area. So if that market pushes up, you'll see that first, second, third market pushes up. So you're looking for a break, at least with this area retest. Market pushes up from a double bottom and retest. If not, then market is reading as a break, a retest, which identify as the first leg, second leg. Price action came back to retest, third leg. It follows up with a bearish red candle. Market's creating that double top in that area. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So now in the 4, we have price action as a bullish green doji. So it's reading as a retest. We do know that we are between 2 SR lines. We're going to add a midpoint between those 2 SR lines. And we're going to put a zone around that area, a little bit above, a little bit below, so we can take a look at what's going on. So within this market is identifying that the market did push down to an area. It did break that zone. So it started being respected at this area here for that pattern that's identified as the market push down for that first, second, third, fourth. That's why we see price action as a doji, because it's on top of the zone for a retest, or a little bit within the zone, trying to break out the zone for a retest. We're going to see if it's going to follow up with a bullish green candle. Markets create that double bottom in a retest. Headed down to 3-hour time frame. So now we're in a 3-hour time frame. So as we walk down this time frame, the market, as we can see, is going to be a little bit above the zone, a little bit below, but still within that area of consolidation. So we're just paying attention to the pattern that's being formed to see what's going to happen. Market broke out the zone, retest the zone. 2-hour time frame is a bullish green candle, same as well. Market broke out the zone, retest the zone. Hasn't went back into the zone yet, so we're going to see if it's going to respect and work its way up or not. Headed down to the 1, same as well. You can see that double bottom below that. Market broke, came back to retest. Price action 2 is a push up to the top, bearish red candle, so it is tagging that area. So if that market start engulfing that second last candle, market's coming down. Headed down to the 45, same as well, breaking retest. So it's a doji that's identifying with the price wick and the second last candle wick, and we'll probably identify as the market comes down. Same candles, 15-minute time frame, identifying the break and retest. Headed down to the 5, same as well, overall break, market came back to retest. Headed down to the 3, same as well, overall break, came back to retest. Bearish red candle, market sitting on top of that zone. Down in the 1-minute time frame, market just spiked that zone, push down a little bit with the tip. We gotta wait to see what's gonna happen next. Okay guys, very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, CTRA, stock.